Hi friends, I am Parthiban. Now I am going to explain about the collection classes. In the collection classes, there is the many types, but I am going to explain about array list and also linked list. Okay, come on, enter into our topic. Collections of classes in Java's. Collections of frameworks is a collections of classes. In the collection classes, I am going to explain about the array list and also linked list. In the collection classes, there is the usage of some other package. Examples java.util.collections. In that collections, we are going to fill what the list of arrays or linked list we are what to going to explain, or we are all going to use. We want to fill that place. Okay, the usage, the used with the static method. The collection classes are used in the static method. All methods of their classes throws the null pointer exceptions. In the collection classes, all the methods of the classes throw the null pointer exceptions. Exceptions is the sense is the types of thread. Is in this thread, the null pointer exception is working in this collection classes. In the syntax of the collection classes is public class collections extends the object. Here we are going to extend the object in the previous classes. The collection classes fields. These are the some fields involved in the collection classes. Empty list to get the immutable empty list. Empty set to get the immutable empty set. Empty map to get the immutable empty map. Now let us discuss methods that are present inside this class so that we can implement this inbuilt functionalities later on our programs. Below are the methods being listed below is a tabular format as shown as below as follow. Collection class fields. Here the methods are in the left side and also the descriptions of the methods in the right side. Okay, add class. It's the descriptions of it is used to insert the specified collections elements in the invoking collections. We want to insert some of the specified field or the specified classes by adding all methods. In the as a last in first out queue is the last in first out queue is the method of data structure. In this method returns a view of the queue as a last in first out LIFO. It means while we are entering the last person of the queue, that the person is come out first is the example of last in first out. Next method is binary search method. In this descriptions, this method searches the keys using the binary search in the specified list. Binary means two. Two is the meaning of binary. The binary search list extends T, list T key comparators. In the descriptions, this method searches the specified list for specified object using the binary search algorithm. We want to find out the specified object by using the specified list by using the binary search algorithm. Checked collections. This method returns a dynamical dynamical type-shape view of specified collections. This method is used to type-shape view of specified collections. Which method? Checked collections method. We are entering into first topic, array list. Since the array list is the dynamic array, Array list is the dynamic array, not have the specified the size while creating it. While we are creating the array list, it's not having the some specified size. We have to create the array list in the which size you want. It belongs to the larger size or it belongs to the small size. It's your choice. It's not any restriction to create the array list of the size is not a matter. Automatically increases when we dynamically add and remove the items. While we are adding the new items or adding the new elements into the array list, the size are automatically increases. And the same way, while we are reducing or while we are delete the some other inputs or some other activities in the array list, the array size also automatically decreases. Is the sense we cannot see the size of the array list. Is the procedure to follow the array list to maintain the size. The important features in the array list. Array list inject the abstract list classes and implements the list of interfaces. Array list is initialized by the size. However, the size is increased automatically if the collections grows or strikes if the objects are removed from the collections. I already told the same point. However, the size is increased automatically if the collections are grow. While we insert any other inputs, the collections process are growing or strike if the objects are removed from the collections. While we are removing some other collections or some other inputs from the array list, the programs are strict. Java array list allows us to randomly access the list. Array list cannot be used for primitive types like int, character, etc. We need a wrapper classes for such classes. Array list in Java can be seen as a vector in C++. Array list is not synchronized. Its equivalent synchronized class in the Java is vector. We are entering into another topic, linked list. Linked list is a part of collections of framework present in the Java util plaque. Implements of linked list data structures where the elements are not stored in the continuous locations. In the linked list, the elements are not stored in the continuous locations. The elements are stored in the spreadable manner. It can located in any other locations. And then elements is the separate object with the data port and the address port. The elements are separated by the data port and also the address port. Each element is known as a node. Each and every elements are known as node. Due to the dynamicity and the ease of insertions and the deletions are occur in the linked list. Usage of dynamicity. You notify the word dynamicity is used to insertions and also the deletion process itself. They are performed over the array. It also has the few disadvantages like the nodes cannot be accessed directly insert. We need to sort from the head and follow through the link to reach the node we wish to access. How does the linked list work in Kali? Since the linked list acts as a dynamic array and we do not have to specify the size. Linked list acts as a dynamic array. Do not have the specified size while creating it. There is no specified size in the linked list while we are creating the linked list. The elements are not stored in the continuous fashions. Doubly linked list contains an extra pointers. There is a doubly linked list also. In that double linked list contains an extra pointer. Linked list is that doubly linked list contains an extra pointer, typically called the previous pointer, together with the next extra pointer. Data which are there in the singly linked list. Array list versus linked list. An array list is the collections of items stored in the continuous memory locations. The idea is store multiple items of the same type together. Continuous manner is the sense the storage of multiple items or a multiple list, array list or a linked list or any other list we want to store in that type of together itself. However, the limitations of array is that the size of array is predefined and fixed. There are multiple ways to solve these problems. In these articles, the difference between the two classes that are implemented to solve these problems named array list and also the linked list discussed here. These are the flow chart based on the array list and also the linked list. In the sense, the rose colored box are mentioned as class and also the orange colored box are mentioned as interfaces. Here interfaces plays a vital role in the both linked list also the array list. In the dot pointers are indicated as the implements and also the arrow mark indicates the extents. Here I am going to explain the flow charts also. Array list is implements to linked list and also the vector, and the stocks is extents to vector, and the linked list is implements to DQ and also both the thrice array list and also vector and also the linked list are implements to list. The list is extends to collections and the linked hash set are implements to set and also the hash sets also implements to set. The sets is extends to collections and also the queues is extends to collections. The stored sets also extends to collection. Truth is implements to the stored set, and the priority queues also implement to queue and also array DQ or implement to DQ. Is the sense we are notified that every implementations or every extensions or every frame interfaces or every classes are comes and ended with the collections of classes. Here sees about the part that the flow chart, the second flow chart in that same picture itself. The tree maps is implements the navigable map and also it extends to stored map and also is extended to map. The enum map and the hash maps are extends to abstract map. It implements the map. Here is the map is the main functions to control all other stored maps or the navigable maps and the tree maps and the abstract map are controlled by the map itself. Thank you. I think I explains briefly and also touch almost look and corner of that topic which was I took the collection classes. In the collection classes I explained the array list and also the linked list. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me.